And okay. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sissy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy soft pancake. Easy and simple. So join me and we're going to start. Thank you. So guys, we need a bowl, a whisk, we need a cup that will put oil, and this one for brushing the pan. We need a cup of milk. We need a cup of milk. I will use baking powder. I have bicarbonate of soda. This one makes the pancake to be soft. I'll use cinnamon powder. I'll use my sea salt as usual. I have sugar here, and lastly I'm going to use the flour. So we are going to start, and I have a measuring cup which I'll measure the flour with it according to the amount of people you want to make pancake for. So we start the process. This is my cup. So guys, that's too much. So I'll measure 1 cup. Another 2 cups. We are many today. And 3 cups. 3 cups of flour. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to mix dry ingredients first. You need to mix dry ingredients first. So I have with me, I'll take a spoon. So I will put 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, maybe add little. I'll put salt. Salt, you just need a pinch of salt. Okay, then for the cinnamon powder, I'll put a teaspoon. For the baking bicarbonate of soda, still new, I didn't open before. So I will put bicarbonate of soda. Don't put too much as well. So I'll put a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I'll put baking powder to make it be fluffy or to swell. So I'll put also a teaspoon of baking powder. As I said before, you need to mix dry ingredients first. You need to mix dry ingredients first. So I'll mix. Then after mixing, I'll add my cup of milk, and then I'll add my egg. You can put 1 egg, 2 eggs, the way you want, but for me, I want to put 1 egg. And then I need some water. This is water, so I'll put and mix my pancake. So what you do when you're mixing your mixture, you need to check the amount of water that will be enough. So I'll add more water until my mixture it should be not light and not heavy. So I'll mix. If you have a bigger whisk, much better. So I'll add again my water. So guys, this is how the mix or the batter should be. It's not very light and it's not heavy. So it should be like this. I hope you can see it. So after mixing my mixture, here is the batter. So this is how I want it. And we are ready to go and make pancake. So guys, we're going to make our pancakes now. I normally use a spoon. I don't know how you call it, maybe a ladder. I need this one. I need my, normally I use butter. I mix butter with the oil, which will make the pancake to be soft. And I'm going to apply a little bit of oil. As with the brush is more easier, or you can use a spoon. well done. So you can turn it. Then I put butter. You keep repeating the same procedure. So you can try how to make simple, fluffy and yummy pancake. So this come to the end of my video. For those who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe. Click the notification bell so when I download any video, you'll be among the first one to be notified. If you're not new here, welcome back and enjoy my pancakes with me. I wish, guys, I could be able to share with you. Enjoy and try this simple and delicious pancake. Thank you so much and ciao.